Welcome to Healthcare Plus. Hello viewers, today I'll share you how to make green Paleo Shakshuka breakfast recipes. Green Paleo Shakshuka breakfast recipes. Ingredients. 1. 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil. 2. 1 small yellow onion, diced. 3. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 4. 1 jalapeno, diced. 5. 2 zucchini, julienned. 6. 2 cups fresh spinach, tightly packed. 7. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 8. 1 teaspoon cumin. 9. Salt and freshly ground pepper, to taste. 10. 3 to 4 eggs. Directions. 1. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees F. Heat the olive in a skillet over medium heat. Add the onion and sauté for 5 to 7 minutes until soft. Add the garlic and jalapeno and sauté for an additional 3 minutes. 2. Stir in the zucchini, oregano, and cumin. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 1. The zucchini is soft, stir in the spinach and wilt. Scrape down the sides and pat down the mixture. 3. Make 3 to 4 small wells and crack an egg into each. Transfer the skillet to the oven. Bake for 7 to 10 minutes, or until the eggs are set. Serve immediately. If you want to paleo hack cook, please below link in this video descriptions. If you want more about paleo diet plan, please subscribe our channel.